I just had an amazing coaching session with somebody, and I want to share a little bit about what happened within it without giving away any details, of course. We were able to go into a metaphor that naturally came out through how he was talking about the issue. By getting a deeper understanding of the metaphor, what's that like? What is it about? What does that metaphor have to do with this situation? We were able to create a whole landscape that was completely different and metaphorically representative of the issues that he was going through and the desires and goals that he had. And it was just a fascinating process that every time it just makes me so proud to be able to help people, but also so amazed with the power of the unconscious mind. His demeanor, his physiology, his breathing, his facial expression all changed by shifting things around in metaphorical space. And I think we can all take a little bit of understanding through this by knowing that how we perceive the world, the metaphors that we use to organize our relationships with different aspects of the world show up in our daily life. So the metaphorical representations that we have for the different relationships and aspects of our life shape how we deal with them in real life. So if you change the metaphor, a change in the metaphor can lead to a change in your behaviors and your reactions to what is going on. Does it completely get rid of the thing? No. If I imagine the metaphor of my taxes changing and going away, it's not going to make the taxes go away. But what it will do is change how I relate to those. And based off my actions, then I create new strategies and beliefs and a new identity around that. So embrace your metaphors and use the ones that are actually going to help you live a better life.